So Robbie, you heard about maybe one event in La Torche in 2014.
Yeah.
I would like to know what do you think first about the place, and I think you remember one big surf slalom you did there. It was
Yeah.
96 or something.
Yeah, a
So
really
what
good
do you
one.
think about the place La Torche and the people there?
I love it. You know, it was one of the first really big World Cup destinations in windsurfing. I have a lot of good memories there. We have some really good historic races there. And I went back a couple of years ago for the SUP World Cup as well.
Yeah.
And it was so beautiful. Nothing has changed. You know, La Torche is exactly the same as it was 30 years ago, which is really nice to see. Great people, good food, beautiful coastline, and of course, you know, really good conditions are possible. So I would love to go back. I think it's an important part of the history of windsurfing. It'd be nice to have windsurfing go back there again.
Je trouve que c'est vraiment indispensable d'avoir une étape de Coupe du Monde en France. On doit être le premier ou le deuxième pays où il y a le plus de windsurfers. Donc on doit avoir une étape de Coupe du Monde en France. C'est obligatoire parce qu'en plus on a quasiment les meilleurs windsurfers, que ce soit en filles cette année. Il y a Delphine Cousin qui est championne du monde. Moi je risque d'être champion du monde aussi cette année. On a des super bons wave riders. On a Jules Donnel, on a Thomas Traversa, on a Antoine Martin, Titoun. Et en plus, on a un spot qui est exceptionnel. Il y a eu, je crois, il y a presque 30 ans, une étape de Coupe du Monde là-bas qui était, où vous avez fait un slalom dans les vagues. Moi, j'avais regardé ça sur les vidéos et tout ça. C'était grandiose.
In the days when we were using like little tiny wave sails in slalom, you know, very, very different equipment than what they use today. And it was much more hardcore than today's slalom, you know, beach start through the waves. I loved the surf slalom, and there it was radical.
Yeah, okay, that's cool. So I hope I see you there, and maybe I think it will be October something 2014. So
If
see
the
you
event
there.
happens, I will be there.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Robbie.
All right.